Hey Nikki, this is Clint Lashley from Digital Infusion, Digital Marketing Solutions. And today I'm going to talk to you about a few things that you can do to boost your online presence and have some business come to your door. And those few things are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, the reason I shoot this video is because this is my way of giving back to business owners and showing them some things that they can actually do themselves to grow their business through a website. So if you like what you see at the end of the video and you want to take this attack plan and run with it yourself, I have no problem with that. Or if you want to reach out to me, I'd be more than happy to speak with you further. So yes, you do need a website. You need a good platform to have it built on. I use WordPress and Snaps. Those are two really good platforms that give you complete control and are built for ranking, and you actually can utilize these tips properly. So when you're building out your website, you pay attention to the content on your homepage, especially. So Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. The homepage being the most important because it's the one that gets crawled the most by Google, and you want Google to stay on your site longer and crawl your other pages and the content on your other pages as well, because it's looking for the keywords that somebody would put into the search engine, like cleaning services, High Point, North Carolina, would be an example of a buyer intent keyword. Somebody looking for cleaning services in High Point there. So when you put that in, the first thing you see here are these local ads that businesses run. And then the next thing you see down here is the map section, which you can actually see there's somebody running an ad in there as well. And then down here is the organic section. So this first page of the organic search section is where you're going to get the most traffic from for your website. Any given search in any given service in any given area you get is where the most traffic comes from out of this organic section, especially these top spots. So you can see down here that that's directory, this is a directory. So there's a lot of directories here. Molly Maid is like a national site, so they're nationally, and you can go after some of their stuff as well. But locally, this would be here considered your top competitor. So I can pull up their home page here, and you can kind of see how it's built out, and maybe get some ideas on what you want to do with your site. So you see their header here, they got a big phone number. Here's their menu. I'm going to drop down to their services and about us. So, and then you can scroll down, see what it looks like. And it got some content there, but it doesn't appear. So yeah, it does not appear that they have the 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on their homepage. Yeah, they got quite a bit, but it doesn't appear that they have the amount that Google likes to see. So, it would be easy to beat them there, especially when you build in those keywords. And I use this tool. It's called Ahrefs. What this tool does is it tells me what's going on with the website and how it's performing per Google. So I have the Maids Triad in there, and you can see here they have a UR rating of 36 and a DR of 14. These are Google's power and trust flow numbers, and between a 30 and a 40 for this UR rating is really where you want to be. So they're doing something right, and this tells me that they have a really powerful website. And then they're getting 3,000 backlinks from 353 referring domains. Backlinking is like Google's big popularity contest. You want other websites pointing back to you, deeming you the authority in Google's eyes, and then Google places you higher in that organic section, and along with the content as well. And then you want good backlinks, though. You don't want just any backlinks. You need relative to your industry backlinks. because you don't want something from like Pizza Hut or anything broken or spammy because that would actually hurt you. Plus, you can go after the same links your competitors using because if they're strong enough to rank them, they're going to be strong enough to rank you. And you can see here also they are being found for 919 organic keywords and generating 331 organic traffic to their website in a month. So you can click on the keywords to find out which ones that maybe you want to build into your content. Those buyer intent ones like cleaning service Greensboro, North Carolina has a 350 search volume every month. Cleaning services Greensboro, 350. Greensboro, North Carolina, 350. That's all monthly search volume that you want to be a part of. So you want to build these keywords into your content on your website. And you just go through and pluck all the good ones off. At cleaning service Winston-Salem, that's got a 250. You want to be a part of all that search volume. So that's where you're going to get the business from. Then combined with the linking, that's what drives up your website higher in the organic section. So you come back here to the map section. So you get a Google business profile built out and use the name, address, and phone number off that profile. And you go get listed in the directories such as Angie's List or Yelp or Yellow Pages, Social Media Works. Any place you can get a listing those are called citations. You go get as many citations as you can, and Google finds them all and points back to your profile and then places you higher in that map section. So once again, the content with the keywords in the content and the linking, that's what drives you up higher into the organic section, and then all the citations drives your Google business profile up higher in the map section. And then you'd be found all over for cleaning services, High Point, North Carolina, all over that first page. So like I said, you can take this attack plan and run with it yourself, or if you would like to speak further, you can reach me. This is my website, or you can call me, message me, messenger, email. My phone number is 262-947-4860. Again, my name is Clint Lashley, and my number is 262-947-4860. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a nice day.